Let's make beef stew dumpling. These dumplings are the fluffiest, gigantic dumpling you'll ever make. They're so buttery and packed with flavor. And this stew is full of vegetables and it's rich in tomato sauce. It's ideal for winter. It's gonna keep you warm, especially now we're heading towards the Christmas period. So you must make it because the recipe is so easy to make. And after I show you how to make these dumplings, you're never gonna make any other dumpling than this one. So start off by frying your cinnamon stick for a few minutes and then add your leek and then your carrots. Cook them for a few minutes and then add your mushroom and cook for another few minutes. After that, add your mustard, your tomato paste and give it a mix. And then once you've done that, add your beef stock and your lamb stock, followed by your 2 bay leaves, and leave them to cook for a few minutes. While they're cooking, start seasoning your beef. I've got here some salt and pepper, heavily seasoned, and I'm gonna fry them on both sides just for like a minute each, just to give them a really nice brown. Now add your star anise, your thyme, and some cardamom in a little like a tea sort of a cloth, and then cover it. You can add them straight away in, but I prefer doing that just because you won't end up having cardamom in your food. That's the worst flavor you can have, as a straight cardamom. After that, add your 7 spice followed by your beef. Give everything a mix and add 1 jar of passata followed by the same measurements for water. So just add water in that one and then just pour it over. Give everything a mix and pressure cook it for 30 minutes. After that, add your potatoes, mix everything and then transfer it into a shallow pot, followed by your corn flour, some salt, and let that simmer for a few minutes while we start on our dumpling. Now this dumpling recipe is going to be on my website, but I'm telling you, it's so rich. It has butter and stuff. So the first stage we need to do is make like a crumb with the butter and the flour, and then after that we add the suet, the spring onion, and then some chicken seasoning. Mix everything together, followed by our eggs and milk. And then once we mix it all, and mix it all by hand, it doesn't matter, we let it rest for at least 10 minutes and then spoon it on top of that stew. And then once we do that, we cover the pan and then we let them steam until they're ready. And I'm telling you, they will double up and triple up in size. They will cover the whole pan, as you can see, but they are so good with this dish. I'm telling you, please do go and make it. And this recipe is available now on my website, link in my description.